Hello everyone. Welcome back to Career 360. Is the National Education Policy NEP actual anti-federal? The clash between the center and the states just got louder.
Derek O'Brien,
The TMC leader has openly urged over 3,000 ICSE and ISE school principals to reject the NEP. But why? Because he claims it threatens the very independence of your schools. Let's decode this controversy. Over here at Careers 360, we have covered this particular news, which says
Derek O'Brien,
flagged concerns over the Viksit Bharat Shiksha Adhishtan bill and said education spending remains below the NEP's 6% GDP target. Moving ahead, and now I'm going to summarize the whole news to you people over here. Speaking at the 103rd Annual Conference of Anglo-Indian Schools in Kolkata,
Derek O'Brien
didn't hold back. He gave three major reasons why schools should be worried. Zero consultation. He argued that the NEP was framed without talking to the states. He pointed out that West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka have already rejected parts of it and released their own state education policies. Threat to minority rights. He claims the NEP's centralizing tendency is slowly eroding this constitutional right. The budget gap. While NEP promises 6% of GDP for education, the actual spending is stuck at just 3 to 4%. He basically asked, where is the money? But there is a new twist. He also warned principals about the upcoming Viksit Bharat Shiksha Adhishtan bill. He believes this legislation is another step to take away the autonomy of private and minority-run schools. Remember, West Bengal already implemented its own education policy in 2023 under CM Mamata Banerjee to counter the NEP. This isn't just a political statement, it's a direct call for a united front by school heads against central policies. Over here in this article, we have mentioned everything which has been summarized by me to you people. The link of this article will be provided to you in the description box. So, dear ones, where does this leave the students? Caught between a state policy and a central policy? The big question for you today. Should education be centralized for uniformity or should states have the final say?